We actually want to admit that the economics of the SaaS industry and the economics of the technology services industry are already colliding.
Mm.
And that what we need to do is enable a fundamentally different software development lifecycle that changes the economics for companies who are using technology to enable their business. So if we have a client today that spends a certain amount of money to build the technology, they have to budget about the same amount of money to maintain the technology over the next 7 to 10 years. And then 7 to 10 years from now, because a lot of the regulatory requirements will have changed, the functional requirements will have changed, the technical supply chains will have changed, they have to modernize that technology. So they've got to spend more money to do it again. So we ask the question, is it possible to change that economic model to one where when we build the technology, we assemble and test that technology in a way that's iterative so that I could re-execute that assembly and testing process daily or weekly or monthly and eliminate the concept of a maintenance contract and a modernization contract and just create a self-modernizing system where all of the changes to the system are based on functional changes that are written in English language or French or German or whatever the client prefers. And all of the technical supply chain is automatically updated from the supply chain components. So we think it's an interesting time to think about the software development lifecycle and imagine a new way to create software.